Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect to Wi-Fi with QR code on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on camera. Now from here, you will find the option of scan QR codes. Now just make sure you enable this option. After you enable the option of scan QR codes, you will be able to scan any QR code using the camera app on your iPhone. First of all, as you can see, we are currently not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Now just scan this QR code using the camera app of your iPhone. And as you can see, it is giving us the option to connect to the Wi-Fi using the QR code. Now just tap on the Wi-Fi name and select Join. And after you do that, you will connect to the Wi-Fi network using the QR code we have just scanned, just like that. And this is how you can connect to Wi-Fi with QR code on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.